Do you see the undo button? Yeah. It is an arrow facing backwards.
It's National Educational Technology Day, and in Beaufort County School District, we want to celebrate our educational technology coaches who help support and inspire teachers every day with technology.
I love that I get to see all levels from elementary to high school, and that I also get to work with the staff. And I love the fact that people are always happy to see us when we come into the schools because they know they're going to be learning a new skill that they didn't know before, and they're going to get the help that they need to get some more educational tools in the classroom and learn more from them.
I'm a teacher at heart, so what I like about being an ed tech coach is being able to go into different classes around the district and teach the kids tech tools and different tech skills.
I love being a coach because I get to go into the classroom and work with teachers to try new things and to inspire them to use technology with their curriculum and make it more interesting for the children.
Okay, so those are a bunch of different transition words we could use.
The educational technology team works side by side with teachers to support and train them on digital tools and integrating technology into their lessons.
Use your arrow key. I love that we're able to collaborate with the district and the ed tech coaches because I'm not the most tech savvy person, so it's actually so helpful to have people come in and explain it to the kids, and they do it step by step, and they're showing me good ways on how to explain things to my students. And it's also just exciting and fun for the kids. You know, they see new people and they're like, oh my goodness, and they've just taught me so much too, so I can take some things I'm learning from them and implement it into my classroom now as well.
Who remembers that word that we used to make a copy of it?
By integrating technology into our curriculum. We all know technology and AI is leading the way. So if we can integrate those two, our kids will definitely be more successful and ready for the new world technology advances that are coming.
If I press it again, it's going to say 10.
A lot of their work tends to happen before the lesson actually takes place. Pre-planning is really important so that they can make sure it aligns to content standards, they practice the appropriate tools that they want to use, and they're able to work together to figure out exactly how they want the lesson to flow.
So we're gonna stand up to take your picture, okay?
The lesson then comes to life in the classroom, where they're co-teaching and modeling best practices with the kids and just having some fun.
I'm gonna delete them. What I like about being an ed tech coach is having the opportunity to work with our staff and students. Specifically, when we work with our staff, we get to sit down and plan projects with them from start to finish and learn about what their goals are and what they want to see their students experience and create. And then we have the opportunity to see that come to fruition and help it come alive.
So some of the things that we do is that we conference with teachers and they let us know what they have coming up, and we plan with them to see what we could do in their classrooms to help support them in the curriculum. So we will look at programs that they could use to create, so like maybe Canva or Adobe or one of these other programs, and we help them work through a project or introducing the students to this program so they know how to use it in the moment and also in the future.
So we're teaching them how to build the 21st century skills that they need while they're learning the subjects that they learn in the classroom all day. And that's great because that's what we want for our kids and our staff, for them to be fluent, for them to be comfortable with technology, and to leave the schools having all those skill sets ready to go.
So as you can see, our ed tech team is proud to serve all of the schools in Beaufort County School District, equipping teachers, staff, and students with lots of technology integration tools to make them succeed.
I'm going to take it. It's going to be a 2-second delay.
Good? All right, kiddo. I'm gonna have you open up Google Chrome and go to ClassLink, okay?